In this video, I will show you how to create a night scene with neon light effect just like this. Let's get started. Let's start by converting the image from daylight to night mode. To do that, click on the new adjustment layer icon here. Then choose color lookup. Click here and choose Moonlight 3D. The effect is not so strong. Let us add one copy of it by pressing Ctrl+J. And let's reduce its opacity to 45%. Then let's group the two layers. To add the neon light, let us add one empty layer above here. Right click on the layer and choose blending options. Come down here and click on outer glow. Click on reset to reset everything to default. First, change the blending mode from whatever blending mode you have here to linear-R. Then let's increase its opacity to 100%. You can pick any custom color of your choice by clicking here. Let's make sure the technique is set to softer. Let's increase the size of the glow to 100 pixels. And this is the effect that we get. Let's click OK. To apply it on this image, let's use the brush tool. I'll select the soft round brush. Set the opacity and flow to 100%. I'll right click and reduce the size of the brush to 20 pixels. Then let's click here and make sure the foreground color is pure white. Let's zoom into the image to a nice and comfortable position like this. I'll click here, then hold the shift key and then click here. This creates a straight line with the glow effect applied instantly. With the shift key down, I'll also click here to continue that line. I'll give a click here, hold the shift key and click here. And panic by pressing the space bar. Since you have understood how to use the shift key, I'll speed up this process and add the glow effect to the necessary portions. See you when the whole process is over. Let us duplicate this layer one more time by pressing Ctrl+J. Let us reduce its opacity to 50%. Let's put everything inside one group and let's rename it to glow. In order for us to control the lightning easily, let us add hue saturation on top of this group. Click here and choose hue saturation. Let's click on this button to clip it. Now it affects just everything within the glow effect group. You can then fine tune these settings here to change the colors instantly, as you can see. I think this color looks good. To make this portion here interesting, I'm going to switch to the polygonal lasso tool. Then I'll set the feather radius to 4 pixels in order to have soft edges. I'll click here and then click here. I'll click here, click here, and then just close the path. Now with this selection active, let us click inside here and then let's choose solid color. Because the selection was active, the solid color adjustment layer came in as a max instantly. We can then pick any color from here of our choice, such as this blue, this one, click OK. To blend the color with the background, let's change its blending mode to color dodge to produce this interesting effect here. Now, since we have chosen blue light, let us add some reflections to the floor. I'll make sure the max here is selected, and then I'll choose a soft round brush. Opacity I'll flow set to 100%, but I think I might reduce the flow. Then I'll make sure the foreground is set to white. I'll gradually begin to paint here to add these reflections. I think the whole scene looks okay now. So let us see what we have done so far. We started with this image, and then we added 2 color lookups to convert the image into this look. Then after that, we added the glow, and then we also clipped a new adjustment layer on top of the glow to control how it looks and the color, everything, to produce this effect. And after that, we added one solid color adjustment layer with this portion as target, and then also use the mask to reveal these portions to produce this effect. So this is how you can easily convert any photo from a daylight scene into a night scene with neon effect. Thank you so much for watching the video to the end. If you found this video very interesting, please like the video. If you liked the video, that is a way to tell YouTube to recommend this video to other people and also to support our channel. Also remember to subscribe, as it gives me the energy to keep creating more videos. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one tomorrow. Bye bye.